This pineapple sheet cake is drenched in pineapple juice, topped with pineapple, then covered in a cream cheese and pineapple flavored glaze. It is so soft and fluffy and full of pineapple flavor. The pineapple juice keeps the cake moist for days, and the rich cream cheese icing pairs so well with the pineapple. The cake is made with heavy cream instead of butter, which adds fat and moisture. If you like pineapple, you will love this cake, so let's get started. First, mix the dry ingredients to 1.5 cups of flour. Add a heaping half teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Whisk and set aside. To a large bowl, add 2 large eggs. Add 1 cup of sugar and cream till thick and pale and doubled in volume. Then add 1 cup of heavy cream, a half cup at a time, and mix just until incorporated. Then sift in your dry ingredients in 2 batches and mix gently with a wire whisk until batter is thick. At first I forgot to use the sieve, but I recommend it because cake flour clumps up. Be sure to add the vanilla, 1 teaspoon of it, and here I switched back to the sieve. When batter is thick, pour into a greased and floured 9 by 13 inch pan and bake at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean or with moist crumbs. Cool for about 10 minutes. Poke holes all over the cake with a toothpick and brush it with most of the juice of a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, then spread a thin layer of crushed pineapple, set aside. To make the frosting, sift in 2.5 cups of powdered sugar into a bowl. Add 5 ounces of softened cream cheese and 3 tablespoons of softened butter. Add a few tablespoons of pineapple juice and mix until icing is thick but pourable. Spread the icing over the cake evenly. And slice and serve. Enjoy.